What's Marty doing? What are you doing, Marty? Did you have your foot in the water? I saw you. Hey, Jagger. He's a good boy. He's the best boy. Everybody's out there. Little Lisa. Pretty little Lisa. Yep. And Gina. Who else is out here? Amelia. And the crazy dog. Halo the crazy dog. I wouldn't drink that water, Lisa. What's Marty doing? Who knows? Probably sees a bug. Marty, are you crazy? Yes.